A man was shot and killed by the police in Portland today after allegedly attacking the police with a machete. The dead man has been identified as Winston Hume. The man was listed as the prime suspect in a case of rape at the College of Agriculture, Science and Education in the parish. That incident earlier in December sparked a protest among students. The police said they went in search of the man on Tuesday and he confronted them.
On entering the compound, Mr. Humes was alerted to the presence of the police and he emerged with a machete in hand. He was instructed to drop same. He did not. He advanced towards the police in a chopping position. The police took evasive action and fired. Mr. Hume was hit. He was immediately rushed to the Port Antonio Hospital, where he was unfortunately pronounced dead on arrival.
Police intelligence suggests the man was preying on students at case over the last 4 years.
Mr. Hume has been featured in 2 previous cases of rape on the campus of the College of Agriculture, Science and Education, dating back to 2021 and again in 2022. On both occasions, these cases were before the court. The complainant in the 2022 matter migrated overseas, and the complainant in the 2021 matter became disillusioned after the matter was drawn out in court when the suspect showed glimpse of psychiatric problems, and so he was sent for psychiatric evaluation by the court.
Commanding Officer for Portland, Superintendent Ainsley McCarthy explained that sexual offences have been a challenge in 2025.
Portland has seen a decrease in murder since the start of the year. However, we have seen an increase in sexual offences, especially rape. We now are at 12 rapes for the year, and we suspect that the suspect in this matter may be involved in several other cases in the parish based on his mode of how he operates when he rapes females. As such, he was wanted, and the reason why he was the subject of the operation this morning.